Guten Morgen, Bitcoin. Today is Wednesday, September 27th, 2017. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin was up 1.88% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 39.45, a high of 39.59, and a low of 38.68. Through the roadblock, is Bitcoin's price priming for a boost? It looks like the China news has been accepted by the Bitcoin price, and we're starting to see some recovery. Bitcoin has been in the 39 to 3500s for about the last week and might break out. Early Bitcoin investor declares, nobody can stop it. The idea that government can put curbs on this is actually pretty specious, says an early investor into Facebook and Bitcoin who disagrees strongly with Jamie Dimon. And of course, in case you're wondering, the word specious means superficially plausible, but actually wrong, misleading in appearance, especially misleadingly attractive. And finally, this Latin American country could adopt Bitcoin as its official currency. Venezuela is suffering from hyperinflation, and they may want to adopt the Bitcoin rather than try to continue with their own currency, which is continually losing value. The way inflation works is if you get your paycheck on Friday, you want to spend it immediately because by Monday, your money will be worth less. This is also the way inflation works in the US, only it happens slower. For more on this and other stories, we're joined by Tone Vase. How's it going, Tone?
Hey man, it's awesome. I'm glad to be in Italy. I'm in Milan, Italy. No more busy London. London was definitely interesting. Yeah, Latin American thing. I mean, sounds like they need an ICO, right? It's not Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin can't solve anybody's problem. Right? It has to be ICO. So you just got to get a bunch of people. You got to get them from the Bitcoin space, and they will be able to print money better than the Venezuelan government has been printing money over the last few years. That's all you need, man. All right, let's talk Bitcoin. Let me pull up some charts here. Oh, the SEC thing, that was yesterday. Man, I missed the wrong day. We'll get there. All right, Bitcoin. Oh wait, application. I'm gonna do it right this time. Here we go. So Bitcoin mempool is not full. So again, I go back to this, guys. People are upset when I say in these videos, no one uses Bitcoin. That's obviously not true. I mean, people use Bitcoin all the time. I actually spent some time in London personally witnessing local Bitcoin transactions. And that was great. People are using Bitcoin. When I say no one uses Bitcoin, it's in comparison to what we were told by the bad actors and the spammers of the Bitcoin blockchain, that it's not able to handle all of this demand, right? So you have to understand the difference, right? People are using Bitcoin, but it's a tiny, tiny fraction of the bullshit we were told 6 months ago about Bitcoin usage. Now, putting those two facts together is that the Bitcoin price got a little out of whack, going up to $5,000 on this, FOMO that Bitcoin is too popular and you have to get it now because you're not going to know what's going to happen in the future. Okay, so you have to really be careful. I mean, this is worrying me a little bit that Bitcoin is a tiny fraction of the popularity we thought it was. I mean, I knew the blocks were being spammed, and I couldn't properly analyze Bitcoin with fake data. But I thought that, okay, when the fake data stops, they'll be fuller than they are right now. I didn't think the mempool would be this cash has stolen I don't think Bitcoin price, I really do think we are like higher than we should be. Now, having said that, that doesn't mean that a crash is coming, because sometimes, you know, you fake it till you make it. Altcoins do this all the time. Look at Ethereum. And if Bitcoin's, you know, bullshit spam on the mempool caused all of this media hype, and people bought into Bitcoin, they're now invested into Bitcoin, and they will be keeping the price artificially high until, you know, the world catches up to it. And it's possible there's not going to be this crash, and Bitcoin will kind of fake this high price until the demand reaches that level. So you have to keep that in mind, that bad data really screws with things. Here
well, and remember, Tone, that that's also just showing people who are using Bitcoin as a currency or sending it around. People that buy and hold only really do one transaction.
Exactly, and they're not part of it. And a lot of those people got driven here because of all of those headlines, good or bad, right? They're, in Bitcoin, it's really hard to get bad publicity. It really, really is. So here we still have blocks that are over 1 megabyte in size. Here's a BTC top, still mining empty blocks. This one's a little too empty. And look, they're still not mining or segregated witness yet. I mean, this is atrocious, right? I mean, BTC top, why are you here? Go mine B trash. Well, like you shouldn't be here, right? I mean, absolutely, like they're not helping the network at all. I mean, not that we need them, right? I mean, there's not that many transactions going on. Here is the profitability chart. A little while. Updating, right?
It doesn't look like your connection is strong enough for video, Tone. Go ahead.
Wait, am I not on screen share anymore?
No, we tried it earlier, but it was lagging horribly.
Oh, the screen share was. Share. Screen share. Action.
No, we're starting to train wreck here.
Oh, okay. What if I cut the video? I cut the video, I cut screen share. How about now?
All right, yeah, you can try it now.
Okay, so well, I cut the video again, and let me try screen share one last time.
It's not going to work.
It didn't work at any point. Action here yesterday. I have no idea what's going on. But can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me?
A little bit, but even your audio is starting to break up.
Okay. I can try and go into my screen share without camera. Is it okay now?
It sounds okay, but it's mainly robot voice.
Let's see if I can. Let me see if I can switch connections real quick.
All right, well, that was a fun update from Tone there. And just a quick travel update here. I'm going to be leaving Amsterdam today. I'm moving on to Berlin. I bought a stack of books today at the to carry with my bag. I got from the School of Life. I got On Confidence. Looks very good. I got How to Find Love. That looks like a winner. And just in case, Why You Will Marry the Wrong Person. I figured that was a must get. I also got the Calm cards, which will help me stay calm. And I got this book, which I might try to take back today because I got it in Dutch. But we got some cool pictures and some drawings and stuff. Let's see if we could try to go
Can we
back
try this
to
again?
Tone. Go ahead, Tone.
Is this better?
Yeah, sure. Give it a try.
Oh, sweet. Okay, I switched to my phone connection. I don't know what happened to the hotel thing. Let me see if my phone is strong enough to do screen share. If it is, hey, shout out to my US phone provider, which I don't actually want to mention because of hacks. How are we looking now?
We can't. Okay, go ahead.
Can you see my screen?
I can hear you now.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, just go.
Okay, excellent. Here's the Bcash inflation, and it's still going kind of high. The profitability is, see, that's the thing. Bcash is more profitable to mine, and no one cares. That's the awesome part. All right, let's talk about price. So I tweeted the following out last night. Let's see if you guys can see it. Here is the weekly chart. And on the weekly chart, we're still neutral. It's now been the second week in a row, and we're still neutral. The weekly chart can go bearish in a week or two, but we're still neutral. There isn't much there. It's the daily chart that may become interesting in a little short while. Here is what I tweeted out last night, and we are in a no trade zone. There is really no trade between 3,600 and 4,100 because you're waiting for the breakout. And if we make a new low, because we set a new low about 5 days ago, if we go lower, that's it. It's like support is going to keep breaking. If you can see it in the chart with the arrows. Now we need a new high. The moment we go above 4,100, I become bullish. The moment we go below 3,600, I become bearish. Now it's possible for this no trade zone to tighten, but for now, the daily is still in a no trade zone. And today we're a little bit higher. We're approaching that 4,000 mark. But to me, 4,000 is not enough because of the 50-day moving average. The 4-hour, kind of useless. Nothing really going on here. Let my indicator calculate. We never went below this line, so never really we got lucky right here. We never crossed below 3,500, and yeah. So the 4-hour chart, nothing really going on. Hourly chart, again, if it loads, absolutely nothing going on. So that's pretty much it. I'm in Milan. The event is totally sold out. They're not actually, they have a huge waiting list. They're not sure what they can do with the venue here. That's the Milan event. And after that, you and I are in Prague, Thomas.
Yep, we'll be in Prague for the Hackers Conference at Paralelzy Polis or something like that.
Yeah, Parallelis Polis. Oh, speaking of that, so I will get to Prague a little bit early. I know you're getting there around the 5th. I'm getting there around the 4th. Are you guys good with my camera, or should I turn that off?
Yeah, we can see you.
Okay. So I'm going to get there around the 2nd. And I know you're getting there around the 5th. So on the 4th, I need to check what day it is. On the 4th of October, I was planning on renting out like a little hotel conference room for maybe 10 to 12 people, because some people in Prague are interested in like a half-day tone-based trading seminar. So I can rent out a conference room with a projector. So if you are interested, if I can get a little bit of interest, we can definitely set that up on Wednesday the 4th. I know people are working, so maybe we can do it in the afternoon, right after work, or in the morning. So if you are interested, reach out to me. Tweet at me or shoot me an email at tone@protonmail.ch. I shouldn't be that hard to reach. Just go to my blog, my libertylifetrail.com, or my YouTube channel, and you'll see my email. So if you are interested in half a day, it'll be probably if I get a bunch of people, it will be less than 1 hour worth of my time. of I usually charge, and it will be for several hours at a conference room, and to if you want to get educated on trading.
All right, that's about all we have for today. If everyone could give us a thumbs up and a like, that'd be great. And we'll be back tomorrow with another episode Today in Bitcoin. Until next time, bye-bye.
Bye, guys.